Hey, it's Elvira. If you're looking for a really fun way to add some interactivity to your lessons, I've got something really fun to show you today. It is a Jeopardy style game. It's a free platform and I'm going to show you how to create that, and then I'll show you how you can customize it to fit your lesson. So let's go check it out. You can create a game very quickly in a matter of minutes. This is a great tool. It is simplest and fastest way to make an interesting activity, especially for educators. So let's build our first Jeopardy game. What we are going to do is we are going to hit the Create a Jeopardy Game button here. Then you are going to type in a password. Let's show it. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to just use this, and next thing you should start building. Here you can save your password, but now I'm not going to save it. Good. You should remember that password because that's how you are going to be able to edit the game. You are going to use that password again. Okay, right up here you see enter title. Let's enter the title of our game. It will be animals. Next. Well, here you have category name. You can name your categories according to your wish. I'm going to title the first one reptiles. The second birds, and the third one will be mammals. Good. Remember, if you are not going to use other categories, you should delete them by pressing delete button on your keyboard. Let's delete it. Good. Okay, then you've got 5 different categories here. Yes? You don't have to use them all, but if you want to, you can, of course. If you want to use just 3 or 4 categories, just utilize the required number, and when you finish and save, you will see how it looks like. Then we are going to click on the numbers going down. First one, 100 points. Here you see there is question and there is answer. Remember that you give the question and your students should answer, and there are no options to choose like in multiple choice questions. There is only one answer. Okay, but let me say one thing. It's free version and it has limitations. However, if you have the paid account, it lets you do a couple extra things. You can upload video. No, I cannot. You can upload images. You can add more rows and columns here. So you should pay $20 and you get a lot for the $20 for the rest of your life, since you just pay once and that's it. Well, let's continue. I prepared my questions beforehand. This is my first question for 100 points. Good. The answer is lizard. Next thing, I should continue. This is the answer and this is my question, you see? Good. Let's add another question. It will be more difficult one. For 200 points, the answer is crocodile. Continue. Okay, this is the question and answer. And I will have 3 questions. The most difficult will be for 300 points. it will be the question about snake. Good. Continue. Good. When you are all done, you should save it using this button here, save and finish. Let's save it. Good. You see, our game is created. Here you can click on this link here and decide how many teams you want to play. For example, I want 3 teams. Hit start. This is how our game looks like. This is first question. Here, we click the question, and if the students give correct answer, or if even they answer incorrectly, you can show the right answer by hitting the button reveal correct answer here in the upper right corner. You see, this is answer lizard. Good. Team 1 gets 100 points. Let's give this 100 points. We just plus and it will be 100. If team 2 missed it, they get minus 100 points, and so forth. So you can just go on doing this. Let's continue. I should press this button, continue. Then you can answer the next question. Here, this is answer. Good. Continue. If you want to edit something, or here, you can edit it. If you want to change or add questions, or if you see some mistakes, etc., you can edit it. You can print if you want. It will look like this. These are answers, questions. But if you want to download, you can download it. It will be here. If you want, you can embed it to your website. And here, you can share it. I'm going to share. You see? These are where you can share it. There is a blogger if you want to embed it in your website or blogger. I'm going to share it in my Google Classroom. Here, I choose my Google Classroom. And that's it, it's ready. Here, this is link to my game. It's ready, I can use it. This is how the game is created. You can customize it according to your own requirements. Just try it and make your teaching more interactive and engaging.